cannot continue to live a double life. You need to decide who you really are, who you want to be. Be a master of your own life. Don't let anybody decide that.
What about hello, especially since I've been carrying your suitcase?
My suitcase?
Yes. A sexy man brought it. Is it Donald? No, Danso. Well, his chauffeur carried it. Oh yeah, and it came with this. Sugar daddy, huh?
What? Mr. Danso, a family's friend, has turned stalker. He said he wants me and will not let me go. I'm so sorry. I thought you were one of those cheap men. But now I can see you got class.
You haven't seen anything yet. I'll accelerate your development.